Hi, this is Mila, and it seems like somebody was digging for pinholes because look at this. The label is all ripped out. I think the person was looking for the pinhole, but the pinhole is right here. So I think I got the ones that are all on this side. I don't know if there's any more right here, but let's see what we got. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Depends on every series. Maybe it depends on the country. So there's like no guarantees or anything like that. I haven't looked it up ahead of time. I'm just excited, and the desserts are adorable. I already have those two in the back made, and I am not sorry at all. This is like a great first week back to school treat. Okay, there we go. Okay. Listen, I'm sorry for the sounds, but yes, the opening of these does come with sound effects. Unpleasant as they may be. I don't have any actually track record with these. I have the worst track record, I guess. Okay, so let's see. Ooh! I know what this is. This is the watermelon thing. Okay. The good thing with the pinholes, you don't get doubles. You can still like fill your collection. It just means like they save you the trouble of having doubles. Okay, so just by seeing the watermelon, this is what we're having. We're having the watermelon sorbet with like a little, I guess, minty decoration. So let's open it up and see everything we got. Read me first. Yeah, don't do what I do, just actually like read it. Okay, one of the watermelons is packed. And okay, there's a bowl, but everything is already in the watermelon. Happy Sun Farms. Okay. This is so cute. Okay. Focus, Mila. Focus. Oh. This is so exciting. I love opening these. No. Oh, look at the can. Do I have to open it? It is so adorable, the coconut cream. Oh, I don't want to open it. See, would I mind getting a double of this? No, I want the can unopened. It is adorable. Okay, stay fresh. Ooh. Okay, those are the, I guess, minty leaves that I noted up on before. And yeah, my two favorite things, the cap and the tongues. But we do get cute spoons. Adorable. Okay. Why am I sensing this is going to go with this and this is going to go with this just because of the colors? It's interesting though, because the leaves, that's not how they look in the picture. Will I have to cut them? I don't know. I'm very curious. So yes, I will have to cut the leaves. Okay, I'm supposed to empty this into the bowl and add the coconut cream and put it back in the watermelon. But I don't want to open the can. Look how adorable it is. Oh, maybe I don't have to open it like a regular can. Wait a second. If I open it from here, this means I don't have to damage the top the way I would a regular can. Yes, this is making me happy. Although I can't seem to open it, it's still making me happy. The can will live. Although the can is so not Barbie sized, it's not even funny. It's like the size of the Barbie's head. Oh, okay. This is a screw top. Interesting. That's what's inside. I wonder whether I'll have to put all of it in. Okay. I've been known to make a mess or six, so... Oh, and that's one of my favorite openings. It's one of those where... Okay. Oh, this one actually opened properly. Nice. So it is possible. It is possible. Okay, is this... Like, how bad is this? Like, can I spill it? I assume the answer is yes. I can spill anything. Okay. So, guess I'll use the spoon. Okay, it's kind of feeling like Play-Doh. Okay, it's very much feeling like Play-Doh, actually. Okay, good. This means I can't make a huge mess. Maybe just a little mess, but not a huge one. But I'm very confused because this is quite a lot. Will I have to mix it up multiple times? Like, give me a second. Let's see. I mean, I guess I'll put all of it, and this way afterward I can cure all of it. But I mean, maybe I'll just, oh, okay. Dropped a little bit. Push the camera, lovely. What I'm planning on doing actually is I'll mix it up in a couple of steps, and when I put it back in, I can cure the first one. This way I'm sure that it's going to stay. How deep is this? Put the spoon. Okay, yes, there's a ton of it. Okay. Let's go a mixing. This is going to be interesting. And I hope I can clean the bowl at the end because I would really like to keep it. It is kind of adorable. Okay, so I mixed half and I'll put it in just so I can cure it because otherwise it'll be very difficult to cure. But yeah, look, it has much more of like a sorbet feel to it than before, because before it was very Play-Doh-y and now it actually like looks like a sorbet, so it's very promising. I will use the spoon backwards because this way I don't have to like dig it out of the middle of the spoon. I could just kind of, there we go, I could just kind of put it in, except the time before I used it to mix, it kind of went in, but that's okay. Just push it in. There we go, push it in, push it in, push it in. Okay, so I will start mixing, but I will start curing as well at the same time. I'll just do it here. I'm not sure whether you can see. I'll just put it, okay, I'll just put it here and I'll put the curing lamp on top and I will keep mixing the rest. Go in. It also has, it kind of feels like a kinetic sand at the same time as everything. Okay, add more. Oi, 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 not on the outside, on the inside. I will add a bit of coconut stuff and then I'll add more. I don't want to overfill the bowl because I'll just make a mess. We all know that at this point. So while I was mixing this cured, and look at this texture. Doesn't it look like a sorbet that's ready to be eaten? This is obviously not to be eaten though because it's not actual sorbet, but then let's gather it and put it in the watermelon. And I do wish I had put a plastic tablecloth to cover this in case. Just in case, come on. I'm trying to like make sure it covers all the nooks and crannies so it looks like it's very full. The good thing is it's sticky, so it does quite easily go in. The bad thing is I'm wearing half of it. I don't know if you can see, but I have, my fingers are all pink at this point. Come on, go in. Go in. There we go. I'm trying to like do the little swirl. Almost, sort of. Maybe if I gather some more. This isn't too bad though. This is actually like really fun. Except I'm like, again, wearing some of it. Can you see it on my fingers? Okay. Let's hold the spoon more at the end. I don't want to... Okay. Okay. Just put it in like this and then twirl it. There we go. Oh, this is good. This is actually... Why couldn't the whipped cream from the Disney Snack series be like this? Oh, I'm twirling a bit too much actually. There we go. Look how beautiful. Ooh, I managed to do a tip thing. Perfect. And now all that's missing are the little leaves. Let me wash my hands though. So I washed my hands cut a couple leaves, but the texture kind of disappeared a little bit just because I left it alone, I guess, for too long. So I'll just retwirl it. Retwirl it? Is that even a verb? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's cute. And then which angle do I like best? Okay, I think this is the best one. I will actually use the tongues for this to grab the leaves. I did cut 4 just in case. They do show to just use 2, but I mean, obviously I will use as many as I like because I need to be very aesthetically pleasing. There we go. Put some right here. No, wait. Do I want to put more? I kind of want to put another one behind. Just so there's 3 because it needs to be 3. Oh, no, no, no. Don't you dare. Go back in. There we go. And 1, 2, and 3. Let's cure. So I wipe down with a towel the bowl and the spoon, and this way I can keep them because that's what I wanted to do. Because look how cute the bowl is, and I've been curing for a while now. Let's touch. Okay, good. It's no longer sticking. This means we're good to go. And there, I forgot to put the spoon in. Oh no. Oh, well, I get to keep a spoon on the side. This still looks delicious. I forgot to put the spoon. No. But I can do this. There we go. And I do get to keep this on the side. I hope you enjoyed this. And which one did I enjoy the most? I think this is very pretty, and the outside is what I made versus here it's mostly on the inside that I did the arrangement. So this one is like the most, I guess, creative as far as I'm concerned. This one is the easiest because all you had to do is like put ice in the liquid. Here was like bubbles ice in the liquid. Here it's like mixing and stuff. So I guess this is the simplest, second simplest, and like the most difficult to date. But I think all 3 of them are absolutely adorable, and I got 3, but like I feel like I could get more. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you for the next little moment we get to share together because those moments look delicious.